What's new at Peernet? Now available for our document conversion service users is the newly released update for DCS, version 3.16. This update includes added features for converting PDF files more efficiently, adds the ability to convert password and print-protected PDF files when possible, and resolves some issues with PDF files set to duplex printing. This update also includes support for Adobe DC 2019. A priority with document conversion service is to continuously improve conversion turnaround time. The DCS 3.16 update includes improved identification of why a PDF file may fail to convert. DCS can now identify if the failure is due to a password that cannot be bypassed, in which case it will not retry the conversion. If the failure is not due to a security issue, DCS now includes an automatic repair attempt, which can help badly formed PDF files to successfully convert. DCS 3.16 also includes the ability to ignore, if possible, any security, passwords, or printing permissions set on PDF files, allowing for more PDF files to be successfully converted. In addition, support has been added for password-protected PowerPoint presentations. You can learn more about how Document Conversion Service handles password-protected documents in our latest tutorial video, available on our webpage or via our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy DCS 3.16. When you go to update, be sure to follow the instructions found in the FAQ, "Do I need to uninstall DCS before installing an upgrade or update?" in order to make sure you are properly backing up and restoring your configuration files. As always, if you need assistance, now or in the future with document conversion service, the Peernet support team is always happy to help.